Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Do you know that Arabic has many different ways to say hello? And each one has its own special meaning. Today, we'll learn together 5 basic greetings that make you sound like a native speaker when you say them. Whether you're traveling or speaking with friends or just want to speak Arabic, this video is gonna help you so much. So don't waste time and let's start. The first most common greeting is marhaban, marhaban, marhaban. It's one of the most common and widely used ways to say hello in Arabic. You'll hear it in both formal and informal settings. It's perfect when meeting someone for the first time or you just want to greet someone very warmly. Ahlan is another way to say hello, but it's more casual and friendly. You can use it with friends or family members. It's like when you say hey or hi in English. And next we have Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. And actually this greeting holds a lot of cultural and religious significance in the Arab world, especially in Muslim countries or in Muslim communities, because it is the main form of greeting between Muslims. It's often used in the more formal or respectful situations, and the common response to it is wa alaykum assalam. So we have assalamu alaikum, wa alaykum assalam, assalamu alaikum, wa alaykum assalam. Okay? Sabahul khair means good morning, and it's the standard way to say hello in the morning. And the typical response to it is Sabahul Noor, meaning good morning to you too. So, Sabahul Khair, Sabahul Noor. Sabahul Khair, Sabahul Noor. And here, I want you to notice a very important thing. We as Arabs, we actually use different words that follow the word Sabah, which means morning, and it also gives the same meaning or a synonym for good morning, which means, for example, we say Sabahul Khair meaning good morning, okay? We can also say Sabahul Noor, Sabahul Asal, Sabahul Jamal, Sabahul Sa'adah, Sabahul Rida. Sabah and followed by any positive word that shows it's a good morning, okay? So Sabah meaning morning can be followed by any positive word or a good word like Sabahul Rida, Rida meaning satisfaction, or Sabahul Sa'adah, happiness, or Sabah and any other word can work as good morning. So we have Sabahul Khair, Sabahul Sa'adah, Sabahul Noor, and any one of these synonyms can work as Sabahul Khair, okay? And also can be a response. So we can say Sabahul Khair and someone responding Sabahul Noor or Sabahul Asal. Or for example, I say for someone, for example, I say to him Sabahul Sa'adah, he says Sabahul Jamal, he says Sabahul Rida. Anyone can work as any other one, okay? But mainly and the most commonly used is Sabahul Khair, Sabahul Noor. They are the basic and the standard greetings in the morning, but also you can hear or you may hear different ways to say Sabahul Khair or good morning. So you have to know that it's okay, it works as good morning. And the fifth greeting is Masa'ul Khair. Masa'ul Khair is the Arabic version of good evening, and it's the common and the standard way to say hello in the evening. And the common response to it is Masa'ul Noor, which means good evening to you too, okay? So we have Masa'ul Khair, Masa'ul Noor, Masa'ul Khair, Masa'ul Noor. And as we said previously in the previous expression for Sabahul Khair, we can do the same here for Masa'ul Khair, meaning we can say Masa'ul Sa'adah, Masa'ul Jamal, Masa'ul Ward, Masa'ul Rida, Masa, and followed by any positive word, okay? Now that you know the most common greetings, let's dive into 3 cultural insights that will help you understand the deeper meaning behind these greetings and how they are actually used in everyday Arab life. Number 1, كيف حالك? How are you? In many Arabic speaking countries, it's common after greeting someone to ask كيف حالك, which means how are you? It's often used as a part of the greeting itself, especially in the casual conversations. You may hear it right after saying marhaban or assalamu alaikum, and in response you can say alhamdulillah, thanks God, or you can share how you are feeling. Number 2, the importance of greetings in Arabic culture. In Arab culture, greetings are more than just words. They are a way to show respect, build relationships, and create a sense of community. Taking the time to greet someone properly is seen as a sign of showing respect and caring about someone. Especially in Muslim communities in Islam, you will find Muslim people care a lot about greetings. And if someone, for example, passed by or across a group of people sitting, and even if he doesn't know them, he will warmly say Assalamu alaikum, and they will warmly also respond to him Wa alaikum assalam. And this is because Allah and Prophet Muhammad in our Islam's regulations ordered us to do this to spread love between each other. Number 3, regional variations. Arabic speaking countries also have some variations in how greetings are used. For example, in some regions, Ahlan wa Sahlan is a way to use for greeting someone instead of saying just Ahlan. In these regions, when you invite someone, for example, to your home, okay, and he comes, you say Ahlan wa Sahlan. It's better than you say just Ahlan. Ahlan meaning you don't care about him too much, but Ahlan wa Sahlan meaning that you are caring about him. Yes. So that's why I said before that greetings in the Arab world are more than just words. Also, some people say salam instead of assalamu alaikum. This is also a common but informal way when you meet someone or leaving him. You say salam and he says salam. Okay? Now you know 5 basic Arabic greetings and the cultural significance behind them. Remember, greetings in Arabic are more than just words. They are a way to spread love and peace and build stronger connections. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on learning Arabic. So this is everything for now, and مع السلامة.